Textile fibers are the basic components of fabric and are usually very thin, fine, hair-like substances that are longer than they are wide. They can be natural or synthetic and can come from plants, animals, minerals, or be chemically produced. Physical properties of textile fiber: length, staple fibers, short fibers, typically natural fibers like cotton and wool. Filament fibers, long, continuous fibers, often synthetic fibers like polyester and silk. Fineness refers to the diameter or thickness of the fiber. Finer fibers produce softer and more comfortable fabrics. Color: natural fibers may have inherent colors, while synthetic fibers can be dyed in various colors. Luster: the sheen or shine of the fiber. Silk has high luster, whereas cotton has a matte appearance.